How to add a video banner to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a video to Shopify store. Then you have to tap onto online store. First of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin store, then tap onto online store. Then here you can see this three-dot option, edit code, or also you can tap onto customize option. This option, just go there and search for the features section. You have to tap onto this section. Now here you can see this add section, tap onto it and search for the video option right here. Just tap onto the video option. Then here you can choose your video from here. Just choose the video that you want to add. Also you can upload files if you wish to. For example, this one you can just tap done, but for now let me choose this one because this one is better. Now let's tap onto done, and you can just copy video URL. You can add YouTube video URL if you wanted to add it. So as you can see, has been added right now. This is basically the Shopify store. Here you can see this. So that's pretty much it. Now you can also add cover image from here. For example, this one done. And if you want the video to upwards, then you can create it to upwards, but right now I would like to keep it under the image banner. So that was pretty much it. This is how you can add a video. You can now save it up. Let me cut this option. Here is the video. You can check it out. You can add video alter text if you wish to, and you can custom all of these things from here. So that's it. Now you can just save it up and your video will be added at the top. So this is as simple as that. Now you can check out the mobile preview. This is what it will look like, and if you want to make it downwards, you can make it downwards right now here, as you can see this. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.